Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download visual identity templates from Fotor. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Fotor's official website. Once on the home page, locate the Templates tab in the top menu. Click on the Templates tab to access a variety of design options. In the search bar, type Visual Identity Templates and hit Enter. Browse through the displayed templates to find one that suits your needs. When you find a template you like, click on it for more details. Take a moment to review the template features and options available. To start editing, look for a button that says Edit or Customize and click on it. You will be redirected to the editing interface. Here, you can modify elements such as colors, fonts, and images. Make your desired adjustments to personalize the template. Once you are satisfied with your design, look for the download option. This is usually located in the top right corner of the editing interface. Click on the download button to see the available file formats. Choose your preferred format, such as PNG or JPG. After selecting the format, click on the download confirmation button. Wait for the download to complete, which should only take a few moments. Once finished, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. You can now open and use your new visual identity template as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.